Hi guys, so kami guys. Ay, okay. Okay. Hi. We're going to Muskoka. Guys, wait na guys. Maraming grocery.
Natay ka kanin niya.
Ano sa man?
Natay ka kanin. Ice cream na lang niya.
Ikaw kay mukha ito matagyayin tiger.
O gani, pwede na lang kong ice cream. Para natay dessert.
That's my driver guys.
May driver.
My driver and my madam.
Hi,
You see my madam?
Madam Aring.
Madam.
Madam.
Okay.
Madam Dami.
Please follow my video and subscribe so that you can updated out my video always guys. So if you want to sponsor, so you can email me at my email rowelme at 1977@gmail.com. Okay guys, have a nice day, see you tomorrow, see you my next episode of my vlog. So bye, God bless.
Sige, katawa sila mama sa English doon. Katawa.
Naminghang na mo.